This is how a day in my life as a designer in 2020 looked like.
Hey yo, what's up people? 7:30 हो रहा है. I have turned on the light. मेरी आँखें नहीं खोल रही है. Just to start the recording. And yeah, this is my day.
These cool transitions are not gonna happen in a while, so enjoy till it lasts. I'm not even kidding, I do this. This is not for the video, I flex my biceps even though I don't have one. My hair is messy in the morning, so I obviously tie it up because insan lagna hai according to my mom. Okay, so you have to understand, I'm not overacting over here.
This shit burns like shit.
Told ya.
Never mind.
Transition. I drink coffee cause सुबह उठ के टट्टी नहीं आएगी और टट्टी नहीं आएगी तो पूरा दिन मेरा खराब जाएगा. So that's why I drink coffee and mostly because मेरे को नींद आ रही होती है. And this is an artistic shot for no reason at all.
It's basically 8:15 right now, and I have a meeting at 8:30. Anyways, let me shift you from this angle.
Coffee की पहली sip है, so forgive me. Yeah, this looks better. So generally around say 8:30 I have a meeting. So I have a meeting with this person called Vidur. He's a UI UX designer and he lives in USA, and this is like the time when he's free. So yeah, basically I have a meeting with him right now. I'm gonna go and sip my morning coffee and prepare for the meeting, I guess.
So apparently the update is that my meeting has been postponed, and generally my work kind of starts at 9. Tab tak we're just gonna enjoy the view outside and have a little coffee.
I live in a terrace and that's kind of cool because I get the morning view and I love it. Oh damn, I think my day is gonna be a little better from now, and yeah, I have to poop. Thanks coffee. Thanks for being there.
Yes, so basically आज का पहला मीटिंग हो चुका है. I mean पहला क्या, एक ही मीटिंग होगा मेरा दिन में because I am doing this project. अरे हाँ, you know what? I can talk more about this project.
The project that I'm working with is... Oh wait, I just realized I cannot talk about it. As you can see clearly that the words that is coming out of my mouth is totally different from the lips. So if you can lip read, you'll probably know what the project is all about. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk about it, I don't think. But now that I think about it, I did not sign an NDA, which is a non-disclosure agreement, so I can talk about it. Oh wait, then I'll get fired. Oh wait, my internship's gonna end in a few days anyways. Oh wait, I still can't talk about it because that's how respect works professionally. I don't know. Not respect, I guess it's trust. So anyways, around 5:30ish I'll be working on this. उससे ज़्यादा मुझसे काम नहीं होता, ठीक है. मतलब 5:30 के बाद my brain shuts. Like ख़त्म. Also, I'm really sorry about the changing audio because I've got this and बाकी recording मेरी फ़ोन से हो रही है. I really want a GoPro. तन्मय भट्ट सुना है आप लोगों को गिफ्ट देते हैं. No, never mind. Okay, if anybody wants to sponsor my GoPro, please go ahead. I've been working for a while now and I'm kind of hungry. I don't do breakfast, I do like brunch. So let's like cook, not exactly cook, let's like fry because we're gonna make chicken sausage. Chicken sausage, sorry. My kitchen is like super messy right now because I haven't cleaned it as usual. Start with washing bartan first and maybe closing the lid of the coffee. What you are about to see is not going to look like a healthy meal, but that's the best I can do in such less time. I also need to see what else do I have. Yeah, I guess I have bread. Ow, oh, whoa, what just happened? Did I break it? Guess who's not getting their deposit back? That's right, it's me. गए मेरे 10,000 रुपए पानी में गए. I think that was broken from the beginning because I barely dropped anything. Anywho, oh god, why does this happen to me? I hope this is not expired. Not because like it's been since days, but because I bought it yesterday. So we're gonna heat this pan first.
because apparently this is like not the appropriate pan where you should be frying stuff, because things like stick to the edge, sorry, the bottom. So yeah, also I think I need to like organize this a little bit. Maybe I need the oil for sure. The spices sort of, I have a tray, I have things organized, but it's just that like keeping, keeping things organized is not my thing. You can also like see my bed and everything. It's a mess. That's how I cool my laptop whenever things are like rendering. Yeah, I'm kind of weird. So this is basically the basic setup that I have, and that's like my liquor. That's limoncello. It's an Italian alcohol and it's pretty good. I'm gonna slow this thing down and let this like pan heat up a little so that things don't stick to the bottom again. So the time right now, I don't know. It's around, I guess, 11-ish when I'm like cooking. I haven't taken a shower yet. I generally take it around 1. I think the pan's heated up.
Oh, get ready for a total food ASMR part of the video when I don't know, put the glizzies inside this. Please don't tell me I'm trying a transition over here. I'm trying a transition over here. Oh no, this is so embarrassing. Wow. It's not that bad. And there it goes. Yeah, I'm kind of scared of flying oil.
Ow, whoa.
See, it can kill people.
Okay.
Damn.
While my sausage is like kind of cooking, I'm gonna wash my dishes. I do this in the middle of the work hours because honestly, the रात को करने का नहीं मन करता है. I don't know. I think I need to check my sausages, but I'm still gonna wash my plate so that at least like we can eat in it. My sausages are kind of ready. I am gonna cook some eggs with this. It's pretty evident that I suck at making eggs. If you think that I suck at making eggs, I suck at transporting them as well. So it's 2 p.m. and I think it's time to take a shower. Fuck, did I just take my phone to the shower? Wait, I'm never doing this again. That was weird. Okay, I'm kind of ready and I have taken the shower. I do like a little skincare / I don't know, something so that like, you see these black spots, it kind of goes away. I don't know. This is going to be a weird vlog. And why am I making a vlog?
So basically my skincare routine starts with me applying this aloe vera gel from Patanjali to my face, and it's kind of cool, I guess. Like, it makes my skin softer or whatever. My company where I work in, if they see this video, I am surely getting fired. So if you think I waste a lot of time, I don't.
I sit in the sun for like a few minutes, say 4 or 5 minutes.
Now I'm fired.
So that I sort of like dry my hair. I like washing my hair every day. I don't know whether it's good, bad. Some say it's good, some say it's bad. If it's bad, it's better. That way I'm living up to my brand.
Now we get to the final part of my skincare routine, where I wash my face with water first because I need to get rid of the existing aloe vera gel, and then I apply my face wash. It's a men's face wash. I don't know why I said that, but yeah, that's how we men apply face wash.
Okay, so I think I have reached the limit of my brain usage. I don't know what to do right now, so I'm just gonna take a break for a while. So at this point, I call my mom and I talk to her and let her know that I'm alive, because that's a necessity. Yo ma, I was basically checking YouTube और like मेरे बहुत पुराने videos पे copyright claims आ रखे हैं. Wow, 110 views के तुम्हें पैसे मिल गए. Wow. So it's 6:30
9:30 right now. I have taken like a break for like half an hour. Yeah, maybe like 1 hour. Counting me talking to my mom for a very long time. So right now what I'm gonna talk to you about is this. So this is like a dream book. Obviously I won't show you the book because it's slightly personal. So the dream book is basically a book where I sort of think about something or have an idea which I really want to do, and I kind of do it someday. So it's a collection of all the dreams that I have, not like the dreams that you get like while you go to sleep, but some dreams that I want to achieve. So yeah, so this was again suggested by Namoshri, which is very fantastic because I thought it's kind of dumb to have like a dream book somehow, but it kind of makes sense right now. So thanks, Nemo.
Okay, then damn it, I just lost track of time and I forgot the fact that I'm making a 1 day thing. So basically the update is be like I finished planning for my YouTube thing, and then I had to do like an animation project. This is not exactly a project, it's basically a submission for some company, after which I might get a job, I might not get a job, I don't know, and I forgot, and it's like 9:30 right now. Damn it. Wow, I had like so many missed calls. So this is the problem. When I start working, I don't even know what is exactly going on. Anywho, I'm gonna get back later in a while. I think I need a break because I've worked for so long right now.
Yeah, that's it. That's my day. I know my life kinda sucks. So subscribe or not. Follow me on Instagram or not. I don't care. Bye.